Hey guys, this is Abhinav Kapoor from the Tech Theme, and today in this video we are going to unbox an action camera which is Noiseplay Vlog Edition. So here's the box of the camera, and this camera is capable of recording 4K videos. Support of external mic is also provided, and it's the only budget action camera which supports external mic. It's of 16 megapixels with a field of view of 170 degrees with 3-axis gyroscope stabilization. So let me just peel off this plastic and let's see what else do we get in the box. The good thing is we get all the basic accessories included in the box. We also get an external mic which is of good quality. Here is the user guide which gives us an overview about the camera and some other basics. So let me show you the camera first. Here is the camera in the waterproof case, and with the help of this case we can shoot underwater also up to a depth of 30 meters. So that's also a really good thing. Here's the camera, and it's of very nice build quality and looks good. Let me just peel off the sticker from the main lens. And talking about the screen is 2-inch HD LCD display and is easily visible outdoors, so no need to worry about that. So on booting up it shows Noiseplay Vlog Edition logo at the front, and as you guys can see, this camera records 4K at 30 fps. This camera is capable of recording 2.7K at 30 fps. 1080p videos can be recorded at 60 fps as well as 30 fps, while the HD videos can be recorded at 120 fps and 60 fps. Talking about the overview, we get two navigation buttons on the right hand side and a Noiseplay Vlog Edition logo up front, and on the left hand side we get HDMI port, USB mic and TF card slot. And moving to the top we get two buttons in which one is a selection button and other is a mode changer button. And here's the battery, it's of 1050 milliampere, and I hope it will do a great job. And here are some quick samples for your reference. While I was recording these videos, I forgot to turn on the stabilization, so that's why the video is a little bit shaky, but it will surely give you guys an idea about the quality. Although this camera does a really good job, but as per my opinion, I think it records the best video at 2.7. Do let me know your views in the comment section down below. So this is it for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. With this, I Abhinav Kapoor sign off, and I hope you have a good day.